Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Deidran. DJ Khaled is currently in the island working on new music with Buju Banton. The music producer and mogul landed Sunday evening and posted this video of him and his son exiting a private jet. It has been confirmed that the We The Best music label owner is here on official visit with the newly released Jamaica reggae star Buju Banton. Khaled is said to be working on a track for his 2018 Father of Facade album. It was reportedly Buju's first day back in studio since being released. DJ Khaled, in another post on his official Instagram page, told the story of calling Buju while his wife was giving birth to their son. Khaled said he was in tears on the phone with him and asked Buju to pray with them while his wife was in delivery. He confirmed that the two have been longtime friends for over 25 years. No information yet as to the release or the title or the content of the track they're working on. Miss Universe Jamaica ended the beauty competition in the top 20. The nervous Emily stumbled in the statement round when asked to share something interesting about herself. It derailed her chances of advancing to the top 10.
I started my Miss Universe journey despite my insecurities. I know that I actually started it to work on my insecurities, and
Emily, however, still made us proud by ending in the top 20 among 94 contestants. The night, however, belonged to Philippines' Catriona Gray, who was crowned Miss Universe 2018. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching.